So I'm wondering, you know, if I'm getting quite a good flow with audio, because you should be done with 6 maybe tomorrow, am I right?
Nice try, Rom. Nice try.
Okay, well,
Day after that, maybe.
do you have lots of, it was quite a, we woke, there was some stuff at 6, I remember. So, okay. But then what I'm thinking, because I'm just going to plug ahead with these sync effects, which are many, right? Then, will you go over the audio sessions again?
You really think that's necessary?
I actually do, because when I move forward, I don't necessarily fix it because I don't have a solution. It might be a little sound interrupt.
Shut up.
You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to be...
Bro! Damn it. Okay, anyway, so yeah?
I'm very much trying to be in a mechanical mindset where I'm not looking for